operating off-road vehicles. There's two laws that followed under this one, 6330.1.1 and 6330.1.3. As we get started in this, hit the like button, subscribe, keep the channel going. Thank you for viewing it. 6330.1.1 is the intent of the law. Short, it is in the intent of the legislative that all persons shall operate off-road vehicles in accordance with vehicle manufacturers' guidelines. That's why on most of your off-road vehicles, you'll see a little sticker on it that it will show that it's off-road use only. All right, 6330.1.3 is requirements to operate off-road vehicle on public property. Off-road vehicle safety course. Section 1 is no off-road vehicle shall be operated upon any public property by the person unless, okay, so section 1 is stating that no off-road vehicle shall be operated on public property by any person unless the person possesses a valid driver's license or the person possesses certificate as provided under subsection 3 and 4 of this section, which we'll go over in a minute. No person may operate any off-road vehicle upon any public property in the state unless each person under 16 years of age who is operating or riding on the off-road vehicle is wearing a crash helmet that complies with minimum guidelines established by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Pursuant to the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard number 218, 49 CFR 571.218 for helmets designed for use by motorcycles. Subsection 2 of this just assesses the fine and what they can and can't charge. 3, off-road vehicles. Number 3 goes over that the off-road course shall be held by an extension service of the 4-H. Safety course materials and curriculum means they have to go by their standards, and the person instructing the class must possess qualifications approved by the Department of Public Safety, and that person shall issue completion of the safety course. And number 4 just states that the off-road safety course can be held by any organization approved by the Department of Public Safety, and that each organization shall issue a certificate for any person who completes the safety course. Number 5 goes over the definitions. The first definition, off-road vehicle means any all-terrain vehicle, dirt bike, or recreational off-road vehicle. The second one's all-terrain vehicle, or ATV, means any motorized vehicle manufactured and designed exclusively for off-road use that is 50 inches or less in width, has an unladen dry weight of 1,000 pounds or less, and travels on 3 or 4 or more non-highway tires. The third one is dirt bike, means motor-powered vehicle possessing 2 or more tires designed to travel over any terrain and capable of traveling off of paved roads, whether or not the vehicle may be operating legally on a public street. All right, the fourth one is recreational off-road vehicle, means any motorized vehicle manufactured and designed exclusively for off-road use that is 65 inches or less in width and has an unladen dry weight of 2,000 pounds or less and travels 4 or more non-highway tires. The sixth part of this law is that nothing in this section shall be construed to authorize operation of any off-road vehicle on a public road or highway of this state, which pretty means if it was not designed and approved by the federal government to drive on the road, you can't drive it. That's your four-wheelers, dirt bikes, ATVs. If you can't put a license plate on it, more than likely you can't drive it on the road. That's why I did both of these laws together, because the first one is the intent that to follow all manufacturer guidelines. All manufacturers put a sticker on them that says off-road use only. All right, if you like the videos, subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment. Let's keep it going. Thank you for watching.